In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Meta Business Suite. Two-factor authentication is a vital step to enhance the security of your account, ensuring that it's protected against unauthorized access. Let's dive into the process, making sure your business information is kept safe and secure. Begin by logging into your Meta Business Suite. If you're unfamiliar with Meta Business Suite, it's a comprehensive tool by Meta that helps manage your business's presence across Facebook and Instagram. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This menu is your gateway to a plethora of tools and settings. From here, you'll want to click on Settings. This will open up a new panel with various options related to your business account. Now, look for Business Portfolio Info. Selecting this specific option provides you with access to crucial configurations that govern your business's core information. It's important to understand these settings as they form the backbone of your administrative controls. Once you're in the Business Portfolio Info section, start scrolling down until you find Business Options. This is the section where you'll make modifications to the security settings. Here, you will see a drop-down menu next to two-factor authentication. Clicking on this drop-down menu unveils several choices regarding who will be required to authenticate their access to your Meta Business Suite account. The default options you encounter will be admins only or everyone. Perhaps you're curious about these choices. Selecting admins only means just the admin users will need to go through the authentication process, whereas everyone mandates that all users with access to the account, regardless of their role, will be required to use two-factor verification. Consider what provides the best balance between convenience and security for your particular business setup. If, at any point, you decide the additional security layer isn't needed, or perhaps you wish to disable it temporarily, there's always the option to turn it off completely. To do this, simply select No One from the drop-down menu. This effectively removes the two-factor requirement for all users. Remember, the security of your business account should not be taken lightly. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an important layer of protection that can safeguard against potential breaches. It's a straightforward process, but one that makes a substantial impact. I hope this tutorial has clarified how to implement two-factor authentication in Meta Business Suite. Taking these steps ensures you and your business can manage your accounts effectively and securely. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online business.